to show you how I make my resin orgone pyramids. First thing you need to do is put on a pair of rubber gloves and grab yourself a respirator mask. I also went ahead and took a chunk of quartz crystal and wrapped it in copper wire, put it in the tip of the pyramid mold, and poured some liquid diamonds resin on top of that yesterday, and I let it dry. Okay, so it's been about 24 hours and I'm going to pour my next layer. I went ahead and mixed up another batch of the liquid diamonds resin, and in my cup here I have some blue glitter and some blue pigment. And throughout all of these layers, I'm going to be adding some fairy lights into the resin. Now I'm just going to give it a good mix for about 30 seconds to a minute just to make sure it's well blended. And then I'm going to go ahead and pour it in the pyramid mold. Now I'm going to let this sit overnight for about 24 hours. So for the next layer, I put in some aluminum and stainless steel metal shavings. After that layer dried for 24 hours, I did another layer of large Amazonite. I also added some gold star confetti. And for the final layer, I did a lilac glitter. And now the fun part, the unmolding. Look how beautiful it is in the sun. And watch what happens when I shut the lights off. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video tutorial on how to make resin orgone pyramids.